In a world full of challenges, we engineers strive to help people.
This is hard.
What's hard? What's hard?
Who are you guys?
Well, I'm Colin Brown, and I'm the vice president of NSBE. I'm Aiden Primus, and I'm the treasurer of NSBE.
What's NSBE?
Well, NSBE is a black program for engineers, and you get to do projects, and you get to share it with your whole school, and you get to go on trips.
Yeah, we went to Penn Labs, we've gone to the Sea Perch Underwater Program. We've met different engineers with different backgrounds, such as architects and clothes designers. We also went to Philadelphia Waterworks and learned that history. And we built a lot of things and done multiple projects. Would you like to join our group?
Yes, I would be delighted to.
Okay.